So I bought several books from Amazon. This is one of them. There's the ISBN off the back. It's by Olga Govlinska. I don't know. I'm sure I butchered that. But anyway. So it's another Alice in Wonderland. I'm just a sucker for fairy tales. It is a more comical looking book than most of the others I have bought. The paper, you can see right through it, so I would say this is just a little bit thicker than copy paper. So on that note, not all that great. Some of the pages are really cute. I do like how they all go in the round, but most of you know I'm part of a group on Facebook, all ladies, called Coloring Books Keep It Clean. And yeah, so it is quite literally all women, and it is hand coloring. It's not computerized or digital or anything. And we just share what we've done. So they found out that I had bought several books, and one of the ladies is like, "Oh, we need you to post them." So that's why I'm doing these flip throughs. See, some of these pages are going to be a lot of fun. So that's why the flip through today. The books, I think I got 5. This is the only one by this artist. Can't even think of the others. I can tell you they're fairy tales, but right off the top of my head, I think one was Return to Oz. Yeah, like I said, I really don't remember. But anyway, I will do flip throughs on them when they come in, and they should all come in by the first part of October. Yeah, I know. I don't usually wait that long for a coloring book. That's a cute page. But like I said, I'm a sucker for a fairy tale book. Anyway, there are a lot of pages. I would not use markers in these without, I like that page, without putting something behind the page, maybe 2 or 3 sheets of paper behind the page. I would not use paints at all. It will just wrinkle this paper to no end, no watercolor. So there is that. If I had seen this book on the shelf and actually felt the paper, would I have gotten it? Probably not. There's some more books she's done. But again, it's a fairy tale. So there's the flip through. You kind of know what you're getting into. And that's it. I will do the other books as they come. I won't wait. I'll just, pop them out whenever I can. And hope y'all have a good week. Talk to you later. Bye.